This is why you need to watch this video. The secret to financial freedom revealed in 30 seconds. Imagine your financial life explained in one diagram. I call it the theory of dependability. Learn how to shift from job dependence to time and money freedom. Thrive, don't just survive. Discover the secrets the wealthy use, right now. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Most people work hard their entire lives, but still struggle with money. Why? Because they never understand the real difference between being financially secure, being rich, and being wealthy. In this video, I'll break down the difference between the three, and more importantly, how you can move from surviving to thriving using what I call the theory of dependability. Life is a journey, full of twists and turns, ups and downs. But for many it feels more like a frantic race, a relentless pursuit on a track that never seems to end. We wake up, go to work, pay our bills, and repeat the cycle day after day. This is the reality for countless individuals stuck in the rat race, working tirelessly just to make ends meet. The bills pile up, the paychecks disappear, and the dream of financial freedom seems like a distant mirage. But what if there's another way, a path less traveled, where financial security isn't a distant dream but a tangible reality? Imagine a life where you're not defined by your job title or the number of hours you work. A life where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool to create the life you've always envisioned. This is the promise of understanding and attaining true financial freedom. A life of abundance, security, and limitless possibilities. It's about adopting a new mindset, one that empowers you to take control of your finances and build a solid foundation for lasting wealth. Financial security is the first rung on the ladder to financial freedom. It's the solid ground upon which you can build a more prosperous future. At this level, it's not about amassing great wealth, but about establishing a sense of stability and control over your finances. Imagine a life where you're not consumed by the fear of unexpected bills or living paycheck to paycheck. Financial security provides a buffer against life's uncertainties. Whether it's a sudden job loss, a medical emergency, or an unforeseen car repair, you have the financial resources to navigate these challenges. Building a foundation of financial security is crucial for anyone who dreams of achieving greater financial freedom. Achieving financial security requires a proactive and disciplined approach. One of the fundamental pillars of financial security is building an emergency fund. Ideally, your emergency fund should contain enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Another crucial step towards financial security is eliminating high-interest debt. Creating and sticking to a budget is essential for gaining control of your finances. While a stable job is often the primary source of income, exploring additional income streams can significantly enhance your financial security. The gig economy has opened up a world of possibilities for generating extra income. Generating multiple streams of income not only boosts your earning potential but also reduces your reliance on a single source of income. This diversification provides a safety net in case of job loss or unexpected financial hardship. By building a solid foundation of financial security, you're creating a platform for greater financial freedom. The concept of being rich evokes images of luxury cars, lavish homes, and extravagant vacations. Many people associate being rich with having a high income, and it's true that earning a substantial salary can provide a comfortable lifestyle. However, this level of affluence can often be deceptive, masking a deeper reality, the relentless trade of time for money. The allure of a high income can be intoxicating, leading individuals down a path of constantly chasing the next promotion, the bigger paycheck, the more prestigious job title. But what happens when the income stream dries up? This is the precarious position of those who have achieved riches without building a solid foundation of financial independence. The high-income trap is a subtle but powerful force that keeps individuals tethered to their jobs, even when those jobs demand long hours, high stress, and little personal fulfillment. They may have a fancy car, but they're constantly worried about making the lease payments. They may live in a beautiful home, but the mortgage hangs over their heads like a dark cloud. Their income may be high, but so are their expenses, leaving them with little financial wiggle room. The key to escaping the high-income trap lies in understanding the difference between earning a lot of money and building true wealth. Breaking free from the golden handcuffs of a high-income, time-for-money trap requires a shift in perspective and a commitment to building lasting wealth. One of the first steps towards financial liberation is to develop high-income skills. Building a business is another powerful way to create wealth and achieve financial independence. Investing is a crucial component of wealth creation. By putting your money to work in assets such as stocks, real estate, or businesses, you can generate passive income streams that grow over time. While riches often conjure images of material possessions and extravagant lifestyles, true wealth transcends the superficial. It's a state of abundance that encompasses financial freedom, time freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Wealthy individuals understand that money is a tool, a means to an end, not the ultimate goal. They prioritize experiences over possessions, recognizing that true fulfillment comes from living a life of purpose and connection. True wealth is about having the financial security to pursue your dreams without being limited by financial constraints. Building lasting wealth requires a multifaceted approach that goes beyond simply earning a high income. It involves creating a solid foundation of income-generating assets, automating your finances to work for you seamlessly, and establishing a plan for preserving and transferring your wealth for generations to come. Income-generating assets are the cornerstone of wealth creation. Automating your finances is another crucial aspect of building wealth. Legacy planning is an essential but often overlooked aspect of wealth management. Wealthy individuals understand that their time is their most valuable asset. One powerful strategy for leveraging time is through other people's time, or OPT. This involves hiring employees, contractors, or virtual assistants to handle tasks that don't require your direct involvement. Another effective strategy is leveraging other people's expertise, or OPE. By tapping into the expertise of others, you can make more informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and accelerate your path to wealth creation. Section 4. Preserving and transferring wealth, estate planning, and legacy building. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy. It's an essential aspect of financial responsibility that ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes and your loved ones are taken care of in the event of your incapacity or passing. A comprehensive estate plan should include a will, which outlines how you want your assets distributed, and a living trust, which can help avoid probate and potentially reduce estate taxes. Other important elements may include a durable power of attorney, which designates someone to make financial decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated, and a healthcare proxy, which outlines your wishes for medical treatment. Beyond the legal documents, estate planning also encompasses legacy building. This involves considering how you want to be remembered and the impact you want to make on the world. It might involve establishing a charitable foundation, supporting causes you care about, or simply passing on your values and life lessons to future generations. Estate planning and legacy building provide peace of mind, knowing that your affairs are in order and your loved ones will be taken care of. It allows you to leave a lasting legacy that reflects your values and makes a difference in the world. Section 5. From accumulation to impact, the transformative power of wealth. As you progress on your journey from financial security to wealth, your perspective on money often undergoes a profound shift. What once felt like a constant source of stress and worry transforms into a tool for creating a more fulfilling and impactful life. Wealth, when used wisely, has the power to create positive change, not just in your own life, but in the lives of others. It can be a catalyst for innovation, a force for good in the world, and a source of empowerment for future generations. Many wealthy individuals find immense satisfaction in giving back to their communities, supporting causes they believe in, and using their resources to make a difference. Philanthropy, impact investing, and social entrepreneurship become increasingly important aspects of their lives as they seek to leverage their wealth for a greater purpose. The journey from secure to wealthy is not just about accumulating financial resources, it's about transforming your relationship with money, aligning it with your values, and using it as a tool to create a life of meaning, purpose, and positive impact. It's about recognizing that true wealth encompasses not just financial abundance but also time freedom, personal fulfillment, and the ability to make a difference in the world. Imagine a set of scales perfectly balanced. On one side rests your ability to generate income, while the other side holds the weight of your financial needs and obligations. This delicate equilibrium represents the theory of dependability, a fundamental principle that underpins the journey from financial security to lasting wealth. At the outset of your financial journey, you're likely heavily reliant on a single source of income, your job. The scales are tipped precariously, with your ability to earn a living entirely dependent on your employer, your health, and the often unpredictable nature of the job market. This dependence creates vulnerability, a constant undercurrent of uncertainty that can permeate your financial decisions and limit your options. The theory of dependability posits that as you progress towards financial freedom, the scales begin to shift. You actively work to lighten the load of dependence on your job by building multiple streams of income, acquiring assets that generate passive income, and developing a financial fortress that can weather economic storms. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process, a deliberate and intentional realignment of your financial life. With each step you take, building an emergency fund, paying down debt, investing wisely, you're incrementally shifting the balance of power, reducing your reliance on a single source of income and increasing your financial autonomy. Section 2, From Employee to Investor, A Journey of Empowerment. The theory of dependability highlights a profound transformation that occurs on the path to wealth, the shift from being an employee to becoming an investor. This transition is not merely about a change in job title, but a fundamental shift in mindset and financial approach. As an employee, your primary focus is trading time for money. Your income is directly proportional to the number of hours you work, limiting your earning potential and often leaving you feeling trapped in a cycle of work without end. You're dependent on someone else, your employer, to provide you with a paycheck, creating a sense of vulnerability and limiting your options. In contrast, as an investor, you harness the power of assets to generate income. You're no longer trading your time for money but leveraging your financial resources to create wealth that works for you, even while you sleep. This shift empowers you to break free from the limitations of a traditional job and design a life on your own terms. The journey from employee to investor is a process of empowerment. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, building a solid foundation of assets, and creating a life where your money works harder than you do. Section 3. The Tipping Point, Where Passive Income Fuels Freedom. The theory of dependability reaches a critical juncture at the tipping point, the moment when your passive income surpasses your expenses. This is the moment when true financial freedom becomes attainable, when the scales of dependability have shifted decisively in your favor. At this stage, your income-generating assets, rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, businesses, or other investments, produce enough cash flow to cover your living expenses without requiring you to trade your time for money. You're no longer dependent on a job to support your lifestyle. Your wealth is working for you, generating income even while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. This tipping point doesn't signify the end of work. It represents a profound shift in the nature of work. You're now free to pursue work that aligns with your passions, your values, or your desire to make a difference in the world. You're no longer driven by financial necessity but by choice, purpose, and the desire to create a life of meaning and impact. The theory of dependability, with its emphasis on shifting the scales of dependence from your job to your assets, provides a roadmap for achieving lasting financial freedom. It's a journey of empowerment, of taking control of your financial destiny, and ultimately, designing a life where your money works harder than you do, freeing you to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Embracing the journey. The path from financial security to wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to embrace the ups and downs. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt, but it's in these moments that your commitment will be tested and strengthened. Remember, achieving financial freedom is about enjoying the journey. Make conscious choices today for a brighter tomorrow. Use your resources to design a life filled with purpose and freedom. Embrace the learning process, seek guidance, and celebrate successes. Every step towards financial empowerment is a victory. Building a legacy of abundance. As you progress on your financial journey, your perspective on wealth may evolve. Wealth can transform into a desire to make a difference and leave a lasting legacy. It has the power to create positive change in your life and others. It can be a catalyst for innovation, a force for good, and a source of empowerment for future generations. Use your resources to support causes you care about, give back to your community, or invest in ventures that align with your values. Building a legacy is about sharing your knowledge, values, and commitment to a better world. Empower others to achieve their dreams and make a meaningful impact. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Here's one powerful tip from the Theory of Dependability. Start building income streams that don't depend on you showing up every day. Most people rely 100% on their job, but the moment that paycheck stops, so does their life. The goal is to shift from active income to passive income. Start small, invest in dividend-paying stocks, create digital products, or build a side hustle that can scale. The earlier you start replacing job income with asset income, the sooner you'll cross over from surviving to true financial freedom. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.